Welcome once again to the headquarters, fellow Red Devils and football fans across the world. Emerging from the headquarters, Juan Mata could be seeking for an exit come January 2022 over prolonged lack of first-team involvement, the Athletic confirms. Now, the Spaniard was given 1-year contract extension, after which he is expected to undergo his coaching lessons and be part of the United coaching staff. However, the latest updates from Mata's camp states that he could be heading out in the January window due to lack of game time. Borussia Dortmund CEO Hans Joachim has raised concern over Sancho's slow start or lack of regular involvement in the United's first team. Sancho is yet to provide an assist or score a goal for his new found home. Whilst patience is key to seeing him adapt to English football, his former team CEO Joachim Watzke, in an interview with Sports 1, highlighted how his soul is being hurt witnessing an assist beast, Jadon Sancho, not having an instant impact with Manchester United. This to him wrenches his soul. I love Jadon Sancho. When you see him playing, you get tears in your eyes. It hurts my soul that he's given so little consideration. I think his problem is that he's not set in the English national team. So this is what Sancho's former CEO had to state on his slow start at Manchester United. Rashford says he is meeting his doctor on Friday and hopefully will begin contact training with the team. Happy Monday. I see the doctor on Friday for consultation. All being well, I will get the green light to join in with contact training again. So Rashford has been out for a while after his shoulder surgery, and with this note from him, we could anticipate his return soon. No major positive yet on Shaw and Maguire. The manager is yet to confirm whether either of them may be in contention for the tie against Villarreal at Old Trafford on Wednesday. We will learn about this probably after the press conference. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe for more updates from Manchester United. Thanks for your time.